Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. First biker of the day, Benelli TMK5028, Royal Enfield Superbike 650. What a look! See how big this motorcycle is. 36 kilometers away from here. My favorite scooter. Favorite hotel, this is the place, Hotel Ahura. Just have a look at the house here. See, more bikers came here. Benelli 600 just came here. Interceptor, couple of Yamaha. Just have a look at this. Two 10Rs, old and new, side next to each other. Kawasaki Z900 here, looking absolutely crazy. Triumph Daytona Z900. BMW M1000RR. Lot of cool motorcycles. CB 350 RS, first generation classic chrome. Nice Ducati Scrambler here. Just have a look at this. How special this motorcycle is. Our bikes, Hunter 350, lot of premium bikes. That is the sound of Benelli 600 versus 650. A lot of cool motorcycles here. See, BMW S1000RR, same color as my good buddy Ashish VR46. CBR 650R, another S1000RR with nice carbon fiber winglets. 10R here. World Championship winning motorcycle, WSPK spec, Kawasaki Racing Team, Benelli 600i, Acrapoic, Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin, third generation Busa, Honda Goldwing is also here. Oh my god, just have a look at the size of this motorcycle. Harley V-Rod, very special motorcycle if you don't know. Very, very special motorcycle. Here BMW K1600B, it is a bagger, but you just need BMW stop box and it will convert it into a GTL executive. Dominar 400 aftermarket wheels, painted wheels, candy lime green, Kawasaki Ninja 300, amazing motorcycle here. R15V3, another Benelli 300, awesome machine. This is Indian Chief. This is a standard. This is Triumph Thunderbird LT. Amazing motorcycle. I mistaken this with the Indian Chief because of this. This is a Indian logo over here. That's why, but it is a Triumph Thunderbird. Kawasaki Z900 original Acrapoic exhaust. Honda CB1000R, very rare beast. Ninja 1000 SX. Then Z900. Lot of cool motorcycles today. This is Yamaha R6. See, 46 project. Everybody is a fan of the Doctor, especially the Yamaha riders. See, it looks like Yamaha R15V2, but it is actually Yamaha R6. Quite a rare beast. I know how special this motorcycle is. BMW K1600B, BMW F900. Just have a look at this. No place here for car park. This is absolutely bikers territory. Hotel Ahura. What to record now? Toyota Hilux is also got highlight here. BMW S1000RR, BMW Motorsport, amazing motorcycle with M1000RR winglets. It is BMW M1000RR. First time I saw this motorcycle on road. HP4 inspired bolts, HP4 accessories here, carbon fiber tire auger. This is a factory exhaust from Ahura. It comes standard on BMW M1000RR. Racing protection. These are Rizoma stealth mirrors, so if you fold it down it will be like aerodynamic support. Very lightweight motorcycle, lot of HP4 parts. Amazing motorcycle indeed. Also Rizoma brake fluid reservoir is also there. Amazing motorcycle. I mean, it is very incredible thing that this motorcycle is road legal in India, also come with a number plate. My good buddy Ashish can tell me that if it is a really M1000RR or S1000RR Pro with some accessories. If you are watching Ashish, I grown up my biking watching you over social media. Third generation Busa TBR exhaust, very common but not so common. Another Estrella Galicia Racing. This is also MotoGP livery. Alex Marquez used to ride that in that livery in Moto2. Z800, and this is Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. Just have a look at the color. Because of this friend of mine, my motorcycle run like in its former glory. It was stuck for nearly 3-4 months and I was finding a good mechanic, but all tries are worthless. Some people told me it was like about 25-30,000 expense including service. I was like what to do, but this gentleman standing over here who solved this problem very nicely. So यश भाई ने बहुत मदद की, पूरा एक हफ्ता, राइट?
Yes, 5 days.
इंटायर वीक हमने बाइक स्वाइप की थी. मैंने पल्सर ली थी उनकी. अमेजिंग मोटरसाइकिल, नाइसली मॉडिफाइड. Now I'm going to own it for a long time because of this gentleman. Because if you don't have a good mechanic and if you are Italian motorcycle owner, it will be very difficult, right?
Yes.
And Pulsar 200 AS performed really very well. If I miss any gear at right time, then it is very difficult to catch even that 200cc Pulsar. So first time I saw this gentleman riding this motorcycle very seamlessly. We also have TVS and Ntorq today with another friend. M1000RR. Yamaha R3, Yamaha R6 and R15M. First time I saw that motorcycle together, and atmosphere here is absolutely crazy. This is only one place where bikers are allowed to do every single stupid stuff, and this hotel is absolutely crazy. Ride safe. Benelli 300 SC project. See, Kawasaki Z800, awesome. Hayabusa second generation. Sagar More vlogs. Kawasaki Ninja S2 filmed this motorcycle many times. Sagar More S2. Again, Grand Daytona 675. This is a normal Daytona. Kawasaki Ninja ZX 6R. Freakishly loud Yamaha R6. I filmed this motorcycle in MB Valley Run 2021. You don't see this view quite often, right? Oh my god, see, this is the original Valentino Rossi signature over here. Oh, everybody is a fan of the Doctor. Oh my god, nice Valentino Rossi handlebar grips here. What a crazy design. Z900. See? Honda Fireblade followed by Kawasaki Ninja ZX 10R. Awesome experience here. This is the only hotel where you are allowed to do every stupid biker stuff. This is particularly the hotel, and with a view like this, what a crazy location to get breakfast, lunch or dinner with a view like this. Yes, as you can see, mostly bikers are gone, but still there are a lot of bikers. Plus cool Ducati Scrambler over here. Amazing motorcycle, there is no question about it. These three motorcycles we came here on, and still there are some bikers, but I think I spotted almost everything here. Nice white tarmac over here. We are going through Sirisat Naka, the same route which we got on our Dhanu beach ride. Amazing motorcycle, Ducati Scrambler. So yes, now we are leaving from here. So it is safe to say, if you new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you are currently a subscriber, make sure you tap that bell so you'll get notified when new content is uploaded. See you next time. Cheers. So final refueling, then we will go back. The vlog ended here. Thanks for viewing. Bye. Catch you next time on Motovlogger Seed YouTube channel.